going to the Animal Crossing Aquarium tour, hosted officially by Nintendo. I've been waiting my whole life for this, so let's go.
One thing you'll see a lot of are these little blather signs where he tells you about creatures just like he would if you donated them to the museum in Animal Crossing.
That's red shit.
I loved this little display. It made me so excited to find Gulliver. I really love that Nintendo decided to do this event at Real Life Aquariums. I feel like it just gives a deeper appreciation for what the game's content is actually about. This is the interactive sea creature touching station, and it's also where I got my stamps for the stamp rally. So I recently got this sea bass tattoo, and if you actually play Animal Crossing, you'll probably understand the reference.
It's a sea bass. No, wait, it's at least a sea bass. Holy moly.
Finally, it was almost time to meet KK Slider. While I waited, I watched a few people play Animal Crossing live. I admired my stamps, and I talked to a few of the Nintendo employees who were really friendly.
I'm about to meet KK Slider in real life. Thank you. This is the best day of my life. I can't believe it. This is the best day of my life. I just met KK Slider in real life. I've been waiting for this day since I was 6 years old when I was playing Nintendo Animal Crossing on the Gamecube. I can't believe this just happened. This is the best day of my life.
There wasn't a whole lot of merch left, but it was okay because I already have a lot. This day was literally a dream come true.